So right now I'm staying at Valladolid48 in Valladolid, and I've been here before. I've had a great time every time I've come here. The road's a little busy, but you know what? Once you get inside, I don't hear any traffic at all. It's such a fun vibe here. A little on the quiet side, but that's pretty good some days. And I am right by a giant puddle. Cars are going by, and not a single person has tried to splash me. They'll go around, and I think that's so nice. So, let's do a tour. I'll take you in. Let's see what it's like. So they got a couple good dorms here. This is the walkway to where you socialize. Nice, quiet, pretty cool compared to what the outside is like. Here's their other kitchen area here. This is where they served the breakfast this morning with coffee. Lots of coffee for me. And this is where we did the cooking class last night. Party started.
All right, folks. This might look simple, but what you're seeing here is pure Mayan magic. These are panuchos, handmade corn tortillas, cooked on a hot plate till they puff up like tiny balloons. Then the magic happens. They get sliced open and stuffed with a spread made from ground pumpkin seeds. Or left plain if you're feeling minimalist. Next comes a generous dollop of refried beans, and the final touch, a spicy tomato and habanero salsa that'll make your eyebrows do a lil salsa dance of their own.
It's got spice, it's got salt.
El que brinda, el que toma. Là c'était gros, là c'est trop bien, là c'est trop bon, là c'est...
In case I didn't learn my lesson last night, it's tequila tasting. Pretty fun place to just hang out. As soon as I'm done filming here, I'm in that pool because it is so refreshing and clean. Feels great on a hot day like this. I love pools. Big time. I do think it's kind of cool. They have a lot of signs up around the trees letting you know what kind of a tree it is. So I don't have to ask Chip after taking a picture. This is an avocado tree, and this is an avocado tree sign. Your standard bathroom. Everything's clean. Water's fine. Hot, cold. Gets cleaned every day. Pretty nice. Dorms are pretty good. It's pretty normal. You get a bed, you get a sheet, you get a pillowcase. Everything's clean. Lockers are a good size too. Bring your own lock, put it on there, and you're set. You're ready to go. There are fans, ceiling fans, air conditioner, and I had a good sleep last night. No complaints. Came for one night. I'll probably stay 2, maybe 3. And my bed isn't a mess this time. It's an organized... No, okay, yeah, it's a little mess. The only complaint I do have is that there are only receptacles at the front of the room. So if you want to charge your stuff during the night, you're gonna have to put your stuff over here. I even have my own extension, but it isn't long enough to go all the way over there. But everybody's doing it, and I really don't have any worry that someone's gonna take my stuff. It's part of hostel travel. Doors automatically lock when you come out, so don't forget to bring your key, otherwise you're gonna have to go to the front, like I did this morning, and they'll help you out. It's safe. I mean, the only people that are gonna get in there are the people that are in there, so I'm cool with that. This is one of the kitchen areas. All in all, there are 3 kitchens here. So this morning when I woke up early, as usual, I was able to come, boil some water, make my instant coffee without waking anybody up, or having to wait until 6, 7, 8 in the morning before communal coffee. They have a free breakfast in the morning, comes with unlimited coffee. It's in the pool area there, so it was good, great coffee. I had at least 5 cups this morning, including the 3 I made. The breakfast is a little basic compared to what I was having at Bao, but it's free, and if all else fails, go into town, grab something for 60 pesos. There's a lot of options in the area. This place has a great ambience. I love how the decoration is. I love the colors. That's very fun and very friendly. And they got a little piece of home up there for me. All in all, I think there's 4 dorms here. There's a couple that are 12s, like here, and then the ones inside are 6-person dorms. The hostel has 2 floors and a roof, so it's pretty big. A lot of these are just single rooms, like a hotel. Pretty standard. Everything looks good. Gets cleaned after every use, like normal. That's a dumb thing to say. Air conditioning. On demand, whenever you need it. This is a nice standard 2-bedroom, ensuite bathroom, air conditioning, ceiling fan. Nice. This way they got more single and double rooms. So if you're looking for a hostel experience that's a good price and still friendly and fun, this is definitely one you might want to look into. It's got a good breeze up here. So here's the top kitchen. It's got, I mean, it's pretty standard. It's got a fridge. My tacos from last night still inside. That's my lunch for today. I mean, if you need anything, you just go downstairs and grab it. There is a router up here. Yesterday I wasn't able to connect too good, so it might be off, or maybe it was just a yesterday thing, but no big deal. The view from up here is pretty cool too. It's nice to see over the city. Okay, my camera is dropping down, but that's cool. Last year this is where we did yoga. They're not doing any yoga right now, but I mean, it is a pretty good spot in the morning before it gets too hot, because this place will definitely get hot. traveling around and you get here early, they do have a safe spot for you to put all your stuff, and plenty of room. Let's see.
My name is Rohil Sheikh. I am from Mexico, Chihuahua, and I really like this hostel. I met a Colombian couple, and they brought me out to all the different bars around here. We went to a cenote, it's called Suitun. They were able to take me some nice pictures because as a solo traveler, it's kind of hard to find somebody to take a picture of you. So that was really cool of them, and I had such a great time here. I was meant to stay one night, I ended up staying 2 nights. The price was really affordable. I just wanted to stay here one night, check out Valladolid, which is very beautiful. They have the cathedral light show and then a convento light show. There's a lot of things to do, cenotes all around.